Alright, there's the view of Mount Timpanogos, which is right there. That right there is Big Baldy. That's what we hiked. Well, that's a fabulous view coming up. I can see why this trail's not too busy. We only saw one person on this steep section.
He's a trail runner.
Trail runner. Walking up the trail, and they make a comment as they pass you and say, I'm not even going to attempt to run up this thing. Hey, I think we're getting close. Must be, because I can hear planes. And yes, Kristy's found the snow. Right on, we got the party crowd here.
Morning, everybody.
That's for you, Jim. All right, we're at the Dry Canyon trailhead. We're going to hike Big Baldy. It's at the base of Timp Mountain, and we get to start off with a great view of the valley already. And there's our sign with our mileage. And there's some nice cliffy views on the way up. And Timp up there in the background and snow covered. All right, we're gonna go give her a go. All right, they said it was steep, and sure shooting, here's some stairs going up. Heck, we're only 100 yards in the parking lot. Woo! Dang, this is steep. Well, whether we make it the full 3,300 foot gain or not, in 6 and whatever miles round trip, views are nice. Well, you know the trail's steep when there's retaining walls on both sides of you to carve out a path for the trail. There's another view of the trail with the retaining wall on this steep slope. That's really cool. Outcropping there too. All right, well, there's another view of this awesome cliff. Check that out. Look at that cool little alcove in that cliff. That's neat. All right, we just hiked out of that cliffy canyon right there. I think that's just a warm up to what we're about to have up here, because this is the eye on the prize right here. At the top of that.
Oh boy.
Big Baldy. This is steep. I can't even stay on the trail. Whew. But don't forget to turn around, because the views out in the valley are awesome. All right, stopped for one of many breathers. We just had a thought though, is to do the steep part of the loop first, going up,
Yep.
and save the knees on the shallow part coming down.
Shallow.
Shallow. We're gonna give that a try, I think. Okay, we came to the junction in the trail of the loop. So this continues up the canyon and around the backside of Big Baldy. And then there's this one. Comes straight down the ridgeline. Most direct route to Big Baldy. So to try to save on the knees, we're gonna go up it. Up the steep part. Come down the shallow part, because our knees don't do so good on the steep downhill. And we do fine going up. Yep, it's steep. Yay, so far so good. We went 50 feet. Well, that's a fabulous view coming up. Heck yeah, what are you looking at there?
A mountain.
Whew. Mount Timpanogos. Heck yeah. All right, well, we just went through about 18 switchbacks right there. And it looks like they just continue switchbacking all the way up to the top of that thing. Heck yeah. Look at those views of the valley.
Really?
That is spectacular.
Something else,
Heck yeah. And I just noticed right here in the brush, a couple of deer. Right there. All right, we're about a third of the way up the steep side. So we came out of that little cliffy valley there. That's where the trailhead is. We worked our way up onto this side. And there's Kristy heading up the trail. That's our prize right there. Well, this steep route certainly is steep. But man, these views. Edging ever closer to the prize. Whew, it's steep, holy cow. Kristy said go ahead of me, but that's the top up there.
Yep.
It ain't level. It's pretty vertical. I mean, we're tiptoeing all the way up this trail. Kristy said, you know that you're really high when the birds are flying below you. Or we thought it was steep. Oh my goodness. You know it's steep when trail runners are walking up the trail and they make a comment as they pass you and say, I'm not even going to attempt to run up this thing. That's pretty steep. Dang, Kristy's just cracking them off left and right. You know it's steep when you can just sit on the rock in the trail. Dang. Holy cow. This is starting to get so steep you have to use your hands to grab what branches and stuff you can. Shoot, this trail's so steep you can lay down in the trail and still be upright. Heck yeah. Dang. But I just can't get enough of these views. Look at that. That is spectacular. All right. This is a steep, probably our steepest hike ever.
It feels like
It's not our most elevation gain ever, but it's certainly the steepest.
either that or we're getting older or something.
No, we're young. We're not getting old. What are you talking about? One thing's for sure, I know this trail's so steep. I've been on Messenger with Jim Hayes hiking all the way up this steep booger.
Because we're not hiking very fast.
Because we're not hiking fast. And it's steep, and I need to get my mind off the steepness. So Jim, you've been with us all along, and thank you for that. It's been awesome chatting with you on this hill. Whew. And I know you said you could see us, but I think we could see you too, because we're above the curvature of the earth, and we can see all the way to Virginia. Hey, I think we're getting close. Must be, because I can hear planes. Well, holy in the name of saving toenails, there's no way we're going down that. Oh, I want to keep a few toenails. I think that little dead tree there is our first false summit.
No.
And then we'll be really close at that point. I can't say enough how steep this frickin' hike is. You know it's steep when the hiker that's immediately in front of you in the trail has their feet wherever they are, right there, same elevation as your head, because the video doesn't do it justice unless you put that into perspective. My head,
Hey, I'm 5 steps ahead of you.
level with Kristy's feet, 5 steps ahead of me. Almost there. We're the blue dot on the map, and we feel so good to be the blue dot on the map, almost to the top. And yes, Kristy's found the snow. And put it into perspective, I'll show you where we parked. As they would say in the UK, there's the car park. So far away I can't see if I can even see my truck, but it's there. Well, hey, that steep snowy hill adds a little adventure. I only slipped on my butt once. All right, well, found the snow.
Treacherous, I
Well, there's the top of Big Baldy right there, this low ridge. There's Mount Timpanogos behind it. Well, we're almost to
Almost there. At least we can really see it now.
another one in the books almost.
Almost. Probably another hour to get up there.
No. No, we just got to go to
I'm just being realistic here.
right over there somewhere.
Where those people are.
Where those people are over. We got to figure out this finger thing. Let's see. Yeah, whatever. Well, for all you fitness enthusiasts, that one fits your ticket. Because that was a steep, strenuous, treacherous, strenuous hike. Wow, but the views, heck yeah, better than the Vasa gym views for sure. Sorry, Vasa. All right, I think I can see our house from here. Well, maybe our town from here. It is right there. Yeah. About 12-mile drive maybe to the trailhead. And then 3 miles straight up to here.
I got it.
All right, we met this couple up here on Big Baldy, and they're going to be in our video for a little minute.
Super fun.
Woohoo! They're super fun to talk to and get to know a little bit from Finland and Salt Lake. Woohoo! Oh, I almost missed it. I got to turn it back on. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Where's Kristy? There she is. Right on. We got the party crowd here. Awesome.
Lisa.
Lisa?
Yep.
I guessed Lisa.
What?
I did.
Yeah.
Wow.
I said, this is Lisa from Salt Lake, and I was just making it up. That's crazy. Okay, what was your name?
My name is Emmy.
Emmy.
Yes.
Awesome. Nice to meet both of you.
What's your name?
Kristy.
Kristy and Steve.
All right.
Thank you. Well, check it out. There's a little geocache or a peak registry that you can sign in. That's pretty neat. All right, we're going to throw the drone up for a minute
I'm super hungry.
and have a snack. And then head on down. All right, one last look before we head down.
So pretty.
Timpanogos Mountain.
Yeah.
Star of the show. And we're going to go down this less steep trail to finish the loop. I don't know that it's going to be much less steep. It's a pretty cool trail down this ridgeline. So this section of trail coming down the other side is a little bit of change in scenery. We get the aspens and the pines, but got to deal with the snow too. It's slippery. We didn't have any snow on that exposed face. All melted off, but a little different story over here.
Yep.
Yeah, it went from bare hillside to winter wonderland. Yeah, this side of the mountain and the trail has got a good 6 inches of snow on it.
Okay.
Yeah, what a muddy mess for melting snow. All right, I almost took a tumble. So this trail is hideous. I'm almost kind of rethinking we should have went down the other way, because this is hellacious, slippery, snotty, snowy mess. Dang, hopefully we'll get out of this stuff quick. Hell, I had to get my trekking pole out for stability. Dang. Just keeps going. Yeah, it does. This is like the ever ready bunny hill. Just keeps going and going. This is the never ending hill. What the hill is this? Dang. It's like we've been going
2 miles.
I don't know, a long ways. Down, 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 down. All right, we're going down this steep trail here, but we went up that. All the way to the top. Well, that doesn't look steep, but that's what we went up. Just kidding. This frickin' looks steep, and it is steep. Okay, that's a high five right there. Woo! That was a steep.
Wicked hike.
Ooh, yeah, she said it. Hard hike.
Honest review, I think that sometimes the steepest hikes yield the greatest rewards.
I would go up that front side if you're going to do it, because being on that face of the mountain the views were spectacular.
Yeah.
Coming down the green tunnel down the canyon was not so spectacular. But we did the whole loop, so we know what to expect.
For me, that's probably a one and done,
Yeah.
if I'm being honest.
It was awesome though.
It was so beautiful. I think being on my tiptoes for half of the hike destroyed my toes though. So
Yeah,
we'll see. I don't know.
I got knee shaker syndrome and I'm ready to go have a burger.